Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. It's May 2025, and today we're diving into the world of open source Android apps to check out 3 unique tools you might find incredibly useful. We're all about finding those hidden gems that give you more control and privacy over your mobile experience, so let's get started. First up, we have Xed Editor, also known as Karbon. This app is a real powerhouse for anyone who does any kind of coding or text editing on their Android device. It's billed as an advanced text editor for power users, and it definitely lives up to that name. One of the standout features of Xed Editor is its advanced editing capabilities. We're talking about syntax highlighting for a ton of different programming languages. Whether you're working with Python, Java, or something else, it's likely supported. You also get handy features like auto-indentation, which makes your code so much cleaner, and a robust search and batch replacement tool. Plus, the essential undo and redo functionality is right there. Now, this is where it gets really interesting for developers. Xed Editor packs a built-in terminal with Alpine Linux support, which is pretty cool in itself. But even more impressively, you can actually run Python and Node.js directly within the app. If you're someone who uses Termux, you'll be happy to know it plays well with that too. Next up, we have Jami. This one is all about private and secure communication. It's a new package, meaning it's committed to user freedom and privacy. Jami aims to be the simplest way to connect with people and even devices through instant messaging, audio, and video calls over the internet or even local networks. The big selling point here is that it's end-to-end encrypted and doesn't rely on central servers for calls. Your communication goes directly between participants, offering a significant privacy advantage. Finally, we have Geoteag video camera. This app is exactly what it sounds like. A camera that overlays a map and your current coordinates directly onto the screen while you're recording. The developer created this app because they wanted a way to record videos with a map and coordinates embedded without having to do complex post-processing. It's perfect for anyone who needs to document locations while filming, whether it's for travel vlogs, surveying, or just keeping track of where you were when you captured a particular moment. So there you have it, 3 unique and incredibly useful open source apps for your Android phone in May 2025. We've got a powerful text editor for developers in Xed Editor, a truly private and decentralized communication platform in Jami, and a handy tool for geotagging your videos with Geoteag video camera. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more app reviews and tech insights. We'll see you in the next one.